On Instagram, you can now add up to 5 links in your bio, while on TikTok, still only 1. Neither really gives you control over how that link page looks like or any insights into what people are actually clicking. With Smart Links, you can build a mini landing page that matches your brand, you can track every click, and you can use the same URL across all your profiles. I'm going to show you how easily you can do this inside Metricool. So, you're going to open the Smart Link section from the top menu, and as you can see here, we already have some created, but you're going to click on Create Smart Link. Here inside, you choose the name, which only you can see, and then the URL, which your followers will be able to see as well. Then you can start to build your page. So, for example, if you click in the header section, you will be able to choose a header image or use your brand logo. And you can also include a title and a subtitle, and it's going to look something like this. In the next section, you can create buttons with text and links, and you can also change the color of the text, of the background, the border. You can also rearrange them, like this, for example, and here on the right side, you also get a preview. You can also add and arrange your social media icons, include images and videos. So as you can see, you can basically customize everything. So it really feels like you and your brand and not just a generic page. At the end, when you're done, you can click here to view it live. So this is hours, for example. And finally, the only thing you have to do is to save. Copy the link and paste it into the website field of your Instagram or TikTok bio. And that's it. Only one quick note, Smart Links is a premium feature. You can create as many as you want, but keep in mind that you can only set them up from desktop.